Hi, it's Don from Don Drones On. Oh, can you hear me? Hey, let's open the lid, eh?
Oh, that's better. Hi, I'm Don from Don Drones On. A few months ago, I reached 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I celebrated on the top of a glacial esker with a box of Tiger Tail ice cream. And there's the link to the video if you haven't seen it already. Well, recently I reached 1,000 subscribers, and I'm really excited about that. So I got a bigger box of Tiger Tail ice cream. I've been working hard on it. Here's my spoon. And I wish you guys could all be in here with me. 1,000 subscribers, woohoo! So thanks a lot for all of your support, and I hope you enjoy my upcoming videos. Thanks a lot. See you soon.
Ooh, still got lots of ice cream to go.